Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unboxing an incredible hauler set, the 1964 Ford Econoline truck MAUI & Sons and the 1932 Ford Tutor Sedan by M2 Machines in 1/64 scale. If you love vintage cars with a touch of surf culture, you're in for a treat. Let's dive in. First, let's check out the packaging. It comes in a clear acrylic display case, perfect for showcasing the models without even opening them. The box features bold MAUI & Sons branding, paying homage to the iconic surf lifestyle brand known for its vibrant colors and connection to beach culture. And here's the best part, it's a limited edition with only 9,600 pieces worldwide, making it a true collector's gem. Now, let's take it out of the box and get up close. Starting with the hauler, the 1964 Ford Econoline truck. The details are amazing. It features a functional hook to attach the trailer, a sleek matte black paint job, and bold MAUI & Sons graphics. The tiny wheels and overall design perfectly capture vintage surf vibes. The Econoline is a classic vehicle from Ford's iconic 1960s lineup. Its compact and versatile design made it popular with small businesses and tradespeople back in the day, and this model captures that charm with a beachy twist. Next, we have the covered trailer. It's designed to carry the 1932 Ford Tutor Sedan, staying true to the Diecast hauler theme. The rear door even opens to give collectors a clear view of the Tutor inside. Now, let's talk about the 1932 Ford Tutor Sedan. This classic hot rod is stunning, with its sleek body and timeless design. It represents the spirit of automotive innovation from the 1930s. Together with the hauler, this set tells a nostalgic story of vintage cars and sunny adventures by the beach. The attention to detail is remarkable, from the bold branding to the flawless paint finishes. Whether you're a fan of vintage cars, hot rods, or surf culture, this set is a must-have for your collection. You can buy this piece of history from our website www.scalearts.in. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing scale model content. Drop a comment below and let us know which model you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.